Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rawls with a bit of news from the supplement industry. Last week, the FDA forced a large supplement manufacturer in the state of New York called ABH Pharma to recall more than 1,200 different supplement products. Now, this recall affects over 850 different supplement lines from various different companies. It includes some well-known brands that are commonly seen on the internet and in stores. You've probably heard some of them, and you may even have some on your shelves. Now, the FDA inspection found significant violations in GMP regulations. That's good manufacturing practices. That's the standard set by the FDA for supplement manufacturers to ensure both product quality and safety. The violations that they cited included failure to meet specifications for identity, purity, strength, and composition of ingredients. That means that the ingredients that were going in the capsules or in the products didn't necessarily match the label. That also might mean that they weren't testing for contaminants like bacteria, heavy metals, and organic toxins like they should. It also included failure to implement a production system that ensures quality of supplements. That means that their operation didn't have the proper checks and balances in place to ensure that the products were being made as intended. Failure to include necessary information on its production records. In other words, they weren't following the protocols that they had set in place. And failure to investigate customer complaints. In other words, they were basically ignoring complaints from customers, and they weren't addressing quality issues. The FDA also cited illegal claims, such as a supplement. There might be a claim that it was treating cancer or some other illness when there was no actual evidence that that was the case. And they had concerns about misbranding, that what was in the bottles wasn't necessarily what was being represented on the labels. Now, this is just one manufacturer. The problem is that the FDA doesn't have the bandwidth to properly regulate the whole supplement industry. This manufacturer received a warning letter 7 years before this recall, and then there were multiple audits over that 7 years, but nothing was done by this company to correct the problems, and nothing was done by the FDA to enforce it. And there are probably other big companies out there that the FDA just isn't looking at. Now, that leaves a lot of the onus on the actual supplement companies that are marketing the products and buyers like you. You really have to do your homework to ensure that you're getting a good product. You want to buy from a supplement company that has a trusting relationship with the manufacturer that they use to create products, regularly audits the manufacturing facilities to verify that the product specifications are being met. And that way they know exactly what's going in their products. It's up to those companies that are marketing the supplements to make sure that the products contain the actual ingredients that are stated on the label, that they don't contain contaminants, and that they're the potency that would provide the expected benefits. Typically, companies that go to these steps will be very transparent about it. Reputable companies are proud to offer exceptional products, display these procedures on their website. You know, they will post the procedures that they have for verifying quality of ingredients of the final product at a very visible location somewhere on their website or somewhere that's very visible for consumers to see. So again, finding a supplement company that you can trust is really important. Do your homework, dig down, go to the company's website. Are they posting the quality standards that ensures quality products? It's really important that you verify that you're getting the quality of product that you expect. So as for this recall, if you're concerned that you might have a supplement that needs to be returned to a company, we've placed a list of distributors in this blog. So go and check it out. But just because a brand is present on the list doesn't mean their entire or current offering is being recalled. This recall affects supplements that have been made by this manufacturer over the past 7 years. So there may be specific lot numbers that aren't affected, or years that it really depends on when that company was doing business with this manufacturer. But either way, again, it's up to you to ensure quality. You want to get what you're paying for. I think that's all I have for you today. Take care and be well.